Oi! Today on Review Night, I review Stridor from Super 7 and the Masters of the Universe Classics. Right. Stridor comes from the Masters of the Universe Classics window box. On the back we see a picture of the Warhorse, along with a few other offerings from Super 7. Out of the box, we see the mighty steed in all his glory. He stands around 9 inches tall at the top of the all control panel. He's got a nice spacious saddle, cruise control, Bluetooth, sat nav, and an 8-speaker stereo. As far as posability, he's got multiple joints in his neck, 2 pivoting laser cannons, 3 joints on each leg, a rotating rump turret, and a ball-jointed tail. It comes with 1 accessory. Note the stylish equestrian helmet. Well, if you fancy a bit more samurai warrior in your warhorse, you can opt for this number. It's the same helmet that came with the other horse, but it's orange instead of purple. Cheap but fashionable. Overall, I'll give my trusty mount 4 stars, and
Damn it, Chase.
oh bloody hell.
Didn't you learn your lesson with the last one?
What are you on about?
These nuclear-powered war horses of yours, the last one farted and blew us all to hell.
No problem. Old Stridor here is an alarm that goes off right before it cuts the nuclear cheese. What was that?
Oh shit.